Well, hello guys. Today another day and I'm gonna be showing you how to make this platformer game in Scratch. It's pretty simple, alright. Yeah. So let's begin. You'll die if you touch spikes. It's very basic. This is in my other account, which is Detective Anime. Me and my friend works over there. So yeah. Um, this is what we are doing. This is all the code we'll do in our platformer. Yeah, I'll say that. So yeah, but now this time the platformer's gravity is a little different. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this is the gravity. So let's get started. Yeah, let's begin. So for today, we are only gonna be doing the gravity part. We're gonna make this small gravity. Yeah, so let's get started. Let's start the program. Yeah. So this is the gravity which I just made right now. It's just like that, but a few changes. Um, yeah, we make it. So it only has been one. Explanation is over, and let's quickly get started. What first we will need is we'll need a event flaglet from the events. After we take the event flaglet, we are going to take a forever. Yes. After that, because it needs to run forever, we'll need a if then up arrow key is pressed. So the gravity is only going to activate when up arrow key is pressed. And when up arrow key is pressed, it is going to broadcast a message. Now, to make your program work perfectly, like it should work perfectly, right? Not be in a little delay so that your character falls out. And remember, when you make your character, don't place it exactly on the center, okay? Just take it a little up from the center. Means it needs to be a little bit more, program needs to work a little more faster. So yeah, you have to do that. That's one main thing. Take it up, not exactly on the center point. So it depends. You can check by testing it. After that, what you want to do is take a broadcast message, but we are broadcasting a new message called uh, start change. Wait, and why? I'll just say why start jump. All right, start jump. So why am I typing? So after we broadcast this, now we have to take something called when I receive start jump. So when I receive start jump, we're gonna keep that here for now. Now what we want to do is we want to make it go to the front layer. We can do that by putting this. Next we want it to set the yvel. Remember to make a variable called yvel, and we're gonna set a yvel to about, let's see, it depends upon yours. You can test it. For me, I think so 20 might be enough. 20 might be enough. Yeah, 20 will be enough. Now, cause it's just gonna like fly. So if you don't want your character to fly, you can go to the controls and put a weight. So don't put it a big one, 0.8 perhaps. I hope that works. Now our code in the when flag for jump is done. Let's go to the when I receive start jump. Okay, we'll need another forever loop over here. Mm, you're gonna change y by. So the most important thing is to change the sprite's y. We are changing the variable y, but we're not yet changing the sprite y. So we're gonna change, not set, but change y by our variable y value. You can drag that in here. After you do this, you have to um, change y val by -2 to make it fall. Okay, so we're gonna change y val by -2. Right, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Change y val by -2, -2. If you want a faster rate of falling, you can increase the number. So now what we want to do is do something that is very important for the code. We want it to stop, otherwise it'll reach the borders. That's kind of awkward, right? So let's quickly fix that problem. You can fix that problem by going into the controls, take an if then block. Now if then, it is, if you're not adding platforms that are like on skies, then you can take this if then touching, where is it, touching sprite 2, or this will be called platforms, if then touching platforms, or if you are you want to add like the ones which like are on this above, please, like you have to jump like this, like this, like this, then you have to do touching color. So what I'll recommend is doing for the touching color, you can pick drop select it by just selecting it over here. If then that is happening, we have to set our y val to 0. Okay, and most important, we want to set our y to the current position of where we are. So let's give it a test. Okay, yeah, now the gravity is exactly perfect. Now let's try it if our costume is on the center. I think so it'll work. I think so. It's a thing. Okay, not 100% sure. Let's give it a try. Wait, what? Wait, stop. Now if you do that, you have to change everything. Now the X and Y settings, that's what you have to change. Go to this and go to this. If you're putting, so this will also work. I'll not say it won't work, but yeah, it works. I don't know why did I do that. So yeah, important thing, I don't know why did I say you guys to put it a little above, but the main thing is your sprite in every single project to be in the center, and then start the code. You have to change a lot if it's in the center. Like if you were putting it on the top, what you have to do is remove these two. Now go to your costumes, put it in the center, and put it like wherever you want to put it, and then just take go to motion and add these two again, because like you can reset it. Why? Wait, sorry, stop it. If it's here, then our y is 86, then we put it here, our y will change to -70. So yeah, Scratch automatically resets it. So what I want is for it to be about here, um 72, -72. So yeah, let's begin. That was it. I guess it goes perfectly fine. Yeah, so that was it for the tutorial today. Thank you for watching. Do hit that like button and check out any of these videos that YouTube is recommending, and do subscribe. Bye bye.